Hey, this is Keith at Down Redwood Groves, and today we're logging some free logs, if you will. When they say free, that means you can take them, but you got to get them. This might have been something I shouldn't have done, but it's a friend, it's a neighbor, and I thought I'd help them out. But we got this big red oak I cut down, and now I'm trying to get it out to the driveway so that we can actually pull the logs out and actually start getting them back to the sawmill. Let me show you what we got. So first let me say I've never pulled logs out of a forest like this before, but you do what you got to do. This tree, the stump actually came over. I cut the stump off, and I actually pulled the stump and the root structure all back down, so at least try to get it back close to where it was. I debranched everything yesterday, and I started pulling the trunk out. So what I ended up getting is 56 feet of red oak, and I got I think that just over 9 feet of white oak. That it took that down too. It took that white oak and bent it over. My neighbor doesn't want to take that one down yet. He's hoping it stays, but it's leaning too hard. But that'll be another day, another situation. So what I did is I cut 17 foot, so I got two 8'6". First is trying to pull it all the way out, and you can see the tractor out there. Well, it was 90 feet from the stump, so this is 22 feet right here. We took another 17. I can't do the math right now in my head, and then we took this one. So I pulled the center section out already, and I'm in the process of pulling the top of the tree out. And I said, you know what, maybe I should videotape this. So what we got here is you got what you use, what you got, right? I got 2 chains, a strap, and a rope. Like I said, folks, it was 90 feet for the stump. There was 22 feet for that, so that's 110. 12 plus another 17, that's 120. So it was 120 feet to this this log. So you're gonna have to start using something. And so I started pulling everything I got together, and got a choker chain on this, another chain, and I got to my strap, and then we're using the rope. So what I've been doing is slowly pulling about 18 feet if best from the driveway width up there, and then re-choking up on the rope and pulling and pulling and pulling. It's taken a couple minutes, but we're getting there. So let's see if we can get this one out too. Alrighty, so here we are. We actually were able to pull that, get a good pull. I got her down here. This is where she gets a little tight, but we're gonna pull it here, and you can see where we're at. So I've tightened it up for another pull. I'll see if I can actually videotape while I'm pulling, and hope and pray that everything works out good here. So right now she's nose buried, and unfortunately she's coming right here in this edge of this root ball. I don't know if I can take a cant hook. Maybe I'll take my cant hook and see if I can roll that over over there. Get out of this branch. Give it a roll here to try to get this side over and give me a little bit more room to pull. So I think I'll actually try doing that right now and see how that works. And I apologize, I didn't bring a tripod here, so I'm trying to do this as I'm holding everything, so bear with me. Okay, I'm not sure how well you can see this. It's kind of cloudy in here, or dark in there I should say, and sunny out here. But let's see if we can give this a pull. And Okay folks, as you could see in that last video, the rope breaking, I'm pretty sure you saw, the rope is fatigued enough where I couldn't use it anymore. So what we ended up doing is doing what I should have done in the first place, is went and bought some more chain. So I bought some 5/16 chain, about two 20-foot lengths, and I was able to get everything out. But what I did on the long, the larger log is, instead of trying to bring it out 17-foot long, I because there were some trees anyways, I had to cut it. So I cut them at their lengths that I wanted, and that made them much more manageable, of course, because they were lighter, and of course they were straight trunks, so they were easy to roll. So I actually rolled them down to that tree just with my cant hook, and then I was really easy to just wrap the chain around and pull them up here, and then I took the tractor and forked them up. So but it was late at night, it was too dark, the videos didn't come out, so I'm here today just kind of show you what I did, and I'll show you the prize. So here's the prize. We've got about 56 linear feet of red oak. All these pieces are cut over 8 feet, and this small piece here is just over 5 feet. So I got two sections that are going to give me some, should give me some decent crotch figure in them. This one here and this one here. Everything else should be pretty straight grain. This was the butt end, 28, and 24, and most of these are in the 22 to 24 range. 22. So should get some decent board footage out of this. Probably get some nice slabs out of a few of these, and so get a nice figure out of that. So not too bad for a couple hours work. I will say tugging them out of the woods wasn't the most fun, but it was a good learning experience, and we'll be scraping a lot of dirt off here before we start sawing these. But this is all anchor sealed up, and what I like about this is with the tree stump that came down with it, red oak usually likes to split. I got some cracking a little bit, but very minor. Hopefully it doesn't go in too deep, so shouldn't have too much spoilage based on the wood damage from coming down. So that's it for me. It was a fun job. If you like, please give me that thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next video.